Hello, my name is Roger Wetzel. I'm asking for your yes vote on measure number 1. This is why I support a yes vote. For the past 43 years, I've worked in the field of aging in North Dakota. That has included helping people with advanced directives, serving on state task forces that deal with legislative issues, serving on a hospital ethics committee, helping families dealing with end-of-life issues, facilitating Alzheimer's support groups where families make difficult end-of-life decisions for folks with Alzheimer's and dementias. I also served as chair of a statewide Matters of Life and Death project, working with 60 statewide organizations to improve end-of-life care in North Dakota. So after 43 years of working in the field of aging and end-of-life issues in North Dakota, I think I know what I'm talking about. Measure number 1 is good for North Dakota and will not impact negatively on end-of-life issues. Measure number 1 does not impact advanced directives such as powers of attorney for health care or living wills. Powers of attorney for health care are used when you want to delegate the decision-making to someone else at the end of your life. A living will allows you to indicate your wishes at the end of life. Also, measure number 1 does not impact do not resuscitate orders, where you ask what you would want to have done if your heart would stop beating. These claims really are based on the statement that these documents are the same as killing someone, and actually that is not the case. There is a major difference between allowing someone to die naturally without using extraordinary medical treatment versus killing them. We all know that killing someone or proactively terminating their life is not medically, ethically, or morally acceptable.
My name is Ron Fisher. I'm here speaking in support of Measure 1. I was born, raised, and educated in North Dakota, graduating from the University of North Dakota School of Law in 1980. Since 1985, my wife and I have lived in Grand Forks raising our family. During my 34-year career as a lawyer, including 5 years spent working for the United States Department of Justice in Washington, D.C. under President Reagan, I have had countless opportunities and privileges to handle cases involving constitutional issues, both the federal Constitution and the state of North Dakota Constitution. I consider myself a constitutional law expert. I am also very, very concerned about end-of-life issues. In 1985, after a long illness, my mother passed away. While she was only 63 years old, our family made the decision that no extraordinary measures would be used by the doctors to keep her alive and prolong her suffering. Then, 20 years ago, in 1994, I was diagnosed with chronic lymphocytic leukemia, also known as non-Hodgkin's lymphoma, a cancer of the blood. Thanks be to God and the doctors at the Mayo Clinic, I'm currently in remission from that cancer. But if I had any doubt whatsoever that Measure 1 would impact my ability to make my own end-of-life decisions, I would not support Measure 1. The fact is, Measure 1 does not affect in any way our right to make our own decisions concerning end-of-life issues.